Ako hanggang ngayon ang Justice Department hindi pa nag-file ng kaso hanggang ngayon. Katagal lang. Patagal ako pumapatay ng tao hanggang ngayon hindi pa sila nag-file ng kaso.
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up, and if possible they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nila ang investigation. And if I am found guilty, I will go to prison and rot there for all time.
If one of these days the ICC will come, will you voluntarily submit yourself?
Sipain ko pa sila, ma'am.
But you said a while ago that if somebody will sponsor your fare to the ICC, you will voluntarily submit yourself to their investigation and jurisdiction.
Yes. Pero kung sila magpunta dito, sipain ko.
But will you confirm that you are willing to submit voluntarily yourself to ICC?
Punta ko doon, sipain ko rin sila.
Few inches later.
Sa iyong mga sundalo, kilala man ninyo ako. Anong kasalanan ko? At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. Ako ang managot sa lahat. This will be a long legal proceedings. But I say to you, I will continue to serve my country and so be it.
Young Rodrigo Roa Duterte. That's my first middle name is Roa. His surname is Duterte. Birth month, year, day is March 28, 1945. I was born in the province of Leyte,